sit your carrier inside of the protector, and then you're going to take this and you'll bring it around and you will snap. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side, like so. And go ahead and make sure that this is either down or on the inside. And then you'll take this side and you'll bring this around and snap all three of these, like so. And then you're going to do the same thing over here. So you snap 1, 2, 3. And then if you have a little baby, you can go ahead and adjust these ahead of time for their feet to go inside, to just bring it up a little bit. But if they're a little bit bigger, then you want to keep it pulled out. And then this goes right here on the sleeve. So that helps add that extra layer of protection on, not the sleeve, but the strap. And then lastly, if you have one of the pouches on, go ahead and take that off. You're going to stick this that was Velcroed through the loop and Velcro it down. Put your carrier on the same way you would if it didn't have the weather protector on it. So putting it on the bottom first, and then we're going to go ahead and snap the back like so. We'll pull it a little tight, and then you'll stick your baby's feet inside of the little pockets made for them. And see, this baby's smaller, so I would adjust this to bring it up a little bit on each side, and just so that there's less air getting inside and the baby's like fully protected. And there you have it. And then this also comes with a hood. And it's really important to know that you cannot face your baby outward in the carrier with the weather protector on. So it's only for facing you. And you could do back carry as well with the weather protector on, as long as they're facing your back. Hope that was helpful.